With Albi plus Xactimate, you're not just estimating. You're managing your business smarter, controlling your costs, and ensuring every project is financially predictable. No extra spreadsheets, no guesswork, and no wasted time. Xactimate is a trusted estimating tool for restoration professionals, but relying on spreadsheets, manual processes, and gut instinct to manage project profitability can leave your profits falling short. Albi's Xactimate integration changes the game by not only allowing you to import Xactimate data directly into Albi, but also giving you full control over your estimates. Break down individual line items, group costs your way, and structure budgets with precision to meet your project needs. Turning your estimates into a profit-driving workflow that helps you control costs, optimize margins, and scale your restoration business with clarity and confidence. With our integration, just a few clicks is all you need. Your estimates are automatically imported into Albi. No manual entry, no duplication, and no chance for mistakes. Replace a single lump sum with a structured breakdown of every line item, labor, materials, and equipment. Once your estimates are inside Albi, you can distribute your data however you need. Have to separate labor, materials, and subcontractor costs? Done. Need to generate precise work orders for each contractor? Easy. Albi lets you structure your budget in a way that makes sense for your business, giving you real-time insight into where your money is going. Albi tracks performance in real time. You'll see exactly how much you've spent versus what was budgeted, allowing you to maximize your margins and ensure every job stays profitable. If you want to see how our integration can work for your business, talk with us at Albi.